Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming what you need: one course, one assignment, or one exam goal. Once done, pick a reliable browser and add an ad blocker to reduce distractions. Make a research folder in cloud storage and one local copy. This prevents lost work. Next, set a short daily timer of 25 minutes to focus. These steps give you structure and immediate momentum, so you can start searching with purpose rather than wandering online. You now run targeted searches using quotes, cite, and file type to narrow results. As results appear, skim titles and snippets to eliminate noise, then open promising links in new tabs. Make sure to check author credibility, publication date, and publisher reputation to avoid outdated or biased material. Once you find useful items, save them in your research folder and add quick citation notes. This method keeps you efficient, and you finish by organizing saved materials into a concise outline that matches your initial goals. Then synthesize notes into a draft, summary, or flashcards. Focus on active recall and one clear argument or thesis. Make sure to proofread and format citations consistently before submitting. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, reopen saved tabs, and check Cloud Sync. Most issues stem from sync conflicts or outdated cache. This final sweep secures your work and preserves learning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.